The real magic of photo bashing happens during the blending process, where separate images slowly start looking like they belong to the same world. Today, how to explore photo bash blending workflows. Begin in Photoshop by creating a canvas around 3400 by 2000 pixels and fill the background with a neutral sky color. Import your first landscape image and stretch it across the canvas using Free Transform. Now, drag in a second image, such as cliffs, buildings, or terrain, and place it above the base layer. Instead of erasing the edges directly, add a layer mask and select a soft black brush at around 30% opacity. Gently brush